In February, we tracked oil exploration in Jamaica from 1924 all the way to 2022. That video is the best performing video on my channel so far, and if you haven't watched it yet, you should definitely check it out. As a matter of fact, check out that entire playlist because I not only share the history of oil exploration in Jamaica, I also shared how oil is formed and where Jamaica gets its oil supply from. As we learned in that video, in August of 2020, United Oil and Gas plc, the company currently leading oil exploration in Jamaica, acquired Tullow Oil plc's license to operate Jamaica's Walton Morant oil field, which stretches across approximately 22,400 square kilometers. The proposed deadline for them to decide whether or not to proceed with drilling was extended to January 2024. They call this the drill or drop decision. So this is when they will be required to decide whether or not they will proceed with drilling or they will drop the license. In the meantime, they are still seeking a drilling partner. Why do they need a partner, you ask? Well, there are a number of reasons. For example, a partner may provide an added level of expertise and, of course, additional funding for the project. In 2021, the company spent approximately 135 million Jamaican dollars or US $900,000 in an effort to find oil off the shores of Jamaica, specifically in the Walton Morant Basin off the island's south coast. This was more than the US $800,000 that was spent in 2020. And though this may seem like a lot of money, when you take into account the cost to actually drill an oil well, it's actually minimal. Drilling an oil well could cost millions of US dollars. The company doesn't only operate in Jamaica, they have oil reserves in the UK and Egypt that have proven quite profitable. In 2020, they earned a profit of US $852,000, which increased in 2021 to US $4.1 million. According to this article, the increase in profit was not only attributed to an increase in oil production, but also an increase in oil prices. With the recent increases in oil prices this year, 2022, they may do even better. So far, their investment in Jamaica is valued at over US $4 million. They still expect to be able to recover 2.4 billion barrels of oil in the event that oil is discovered in that area and eventually developed. This estimate is based on 11 prospects and leads that have been identified and verified by independent consultants like Gaffney Klein and Associates.